Class 10, Chapter 11, Constructions, Module 1 and 2. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about division of a line segment in the ratio m:n, construction of tangents to a circle. Now the first question. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Now listen carefully. This one is exercise 11.1, first question. All the other questions of exercise 11.1 are deleted portion. Now listen carefully. Here we need to divide the line segment 7.6 cm in the ratio 5:8. Now the first step is we need to draw a line segment having length 7.6 cm. We name it as AB. After that, we draw a ray AX, making an acute angle with the AB. Now listen carefully. We need to divide in the ratio 5:8. So we add 5 plus 8 is equal to what? 13. Now divide the ray AX into 13 equal parts. After that, name it as A1, A2, A3, etc. up to A13. Now listen carefully. All these distances are same. Take same arc length. We cut it from starting A onwards. Okay. Now join B to A13. B to A13. After that, take any radius which is less than the starting radius. That using that arc length, keep the needle end at the point A13. We draw one arc. Listen carefully, that two red points. After that, the same measurement itself, keep the needle end at the point A5. We draw another arc. Listen carefully, one red point is there. While we keep the needle end at the point A5, listen here, the ratio, starting ratio is what? 5. So the ratio 5:8 is given. Okay. Now listen carefully. After that, we change that arc radius. Take the measurement. Here two red points are there. Take that arc length. Now keep the needle end at the point, one red point is there. Keep the needle end at that point. We cut the first arc. Now from A5 through that intersecting point, we need to draw a line segment. That line segment touches the line segment AB at the point C. Now measure AC and also BC. So AC 2.9 and BC 4.7. Now what is the sum of that two? Yes, that is 7.6 centimeter. Now that is the line segment division. Second question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct the pair of tangents to a circle and measure their lengths. Listen carefully, we know the tangents to the circle. If a line touches the circle at a fixed point, then that line is called what? Tangents to the circle. Now also we know the theorem to what? The length of the tangents from the external points are equal. So listen, first we need to draw a circle having radius 6 centimeter. This one is not correct measurement, 6 centimeter. Now the method is this one. You need to take the correct measurement 6 centimeter. We draw one circle. After that, from a point 10 centimeter away from its center, that is from the center, we need to mark a point P at a distance of 10 centimeter away from the center. That means radius is 6 centimeter. Then outside that 4 more centimeter you need to take. Now mark the point as P, external point as P. We need to draw the tangent from the external point P. So the method is join O to P. After that, take more than half of OP. We draw its perpendicular bisector. Mark that midpoint as M. Now with MS center OM as a radius, we draw one circle. With MS center and OM as radius, we draw one circle. That circle touches the original circle, the starting circle, at two fixed points Q and R. Joined PQ and PR, then PQ and PR are the tangents from the external point P. Clear, students? Now the next question. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also, verify the measurement by actual calculation. Now listen carefully. Here we need to construct a tangent to a circle of radius from a point on the concentric circle. What do you mean by concentric circle? Two circles having the same radius. First circle having the radius 4 cm, two circles having the same center. So first circle having the radius 4 cm, second circle having the radius 6 cm. Now we need to draw that two circles. So OP having this length what? 6 cm. The larger circle having radius 6. Now we need to take more than half of OP. We draw its perpendicular bisector. Mark that midpoint of OP as M. With the MS center or MS radius, we draw another circle. Blue color circle is there. That circle touches the first circle having radius 4 cm is there at two distinct points Q and R. Join PQ and PR. That is the tangents from the external point P. Now you need to verify is it correct or not. So first when you measure that length PQ, you will get one value. After that you need to check is it correct or not using Pythagoras theorem. For that PQ square, when you consider the triangle OPQ, angle Q is 90 degree. So hypotenuse is which one? OP. So PQ square is equal to OP square minus OQ square. That is OP what? 6 square, 6 cm, 6 square minus OQ what? First circle radius 4 cm. 4 square. So 36 minus 16 is equal to 20. So PQ square 20, then PQ is equal to square root of 20, which is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So when you measure using the scale PQ, and here when you verify it, the same measurement itself. Okay. Now the next question. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So first you need to draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Mark 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm. So from that inside portion 3 cm radius, after that 4 more centimeter you need to extend and mark the 2 points P and Q on both sides. After that from P and Q you need to draw tangents. For that first take more than half of OP, we draw the perpendicular bisector. Mark that midpoint as M. With MS center or MS radius we draw one circle. Blue color circle is there that touches the first circle at two distinct points. Mark that point as A and B. Join P and PB, that is the tangents from the external point P. Same as take more than half of OQ, we draw its perpendicular bisector. Mark that midpoint as N. With NS center or NS radius, we draw another circle. That circle touches the original circle at two distinct points C and D. Join CQ and DQ. That is the tangent from the external point Q. Okay. Now the figure is the very lovely one. Okay. Now next one. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Now listen carefully. In the circle chapter, we have studied in this type of questions. So the tangents, two tangents PQ and P are inclined each other at an angle of 60 degree. We know angle Q is equal to 90 degree, same as angle R also 90 degree, using the theorem 1. That is what tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Now OQPR is a quadrilateral. Sum of all the angles is equal to 360. Now 90 plus 60 plus angle QOR is equal to what? 360 degrees. So angle QOR is equal to what? 120 degrees there. Now we need to construct that. For that we draw a circle having radius what? 5 centimeter. Mark one radius OQ. After that we need to draw the central angle 120 degree. That is, keep the needle at the point O. We draw one arc. Take any radius. With that same radius itself, OQ, that arc touching point is there. From that point we cut two arcs with the same measurement. The first cut is what? 60 degree. The second cut is what? 120 degree. Through that 120 degree we draw another radius OR. Now the central angle is what? 120 degree. Now both end we need to construct 90 degree. So first step, from the point Q, through that point Q we need to form what? 90 degree. For that, from this OQ, one point is there. From that point Q, keep the needle and take any radius. We draw one arc. Now that arc touches the point OQ, one point is there. From that point, same measurement, we draw one arc. First arc is 60 degree. Second arc what? 120 degree. You extend that 120 degree angle. From that 120 degree cutting, we bisect that. We cut it. Now two intersecting points are there, arc are there. Through that intersecting point through Q we draw one ray. Then angle Q is equal to what? 90 degree. Same as we need to construct angle R also, how much degree? 90 degree. Now that through 90 degree intersect at a fixed point, that point is the external point. That inclined at the angle how much degree? 60 degree. Clear? The next question. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So first step, we draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. After that, with A as center, we draw one circle having radius 4 cm. With B as center, we draw another circle having radius 3 cm. Now take more than half of AB, draw its perpendicular bisector. With M as center and AM as radius, we draw another circle. M as center and AM as radius, we draw another circle. That blue color circle touches the two circles at two distinct points. One is P and Q, other one is R and S. Join from that center B, join PB and PQ. That is one pair of tangent. From the center A, join PR and AS. Sorry, PR not AR and AS. That is another pair of tangents. One pair is which one? Red color tangents, and other one is what? Green color tangents. Now the next last question lesson. One more question is there, but that is simple one. Okay, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm, and angle B 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangent from A to the circle. Now we know how to construct the triangle. that you have studied in the previous classes. So first, we draw BC having length 8 centimeter. Now keep the needle end at the point B. We draw one arc. Now from that point, with the same measurement, we cut that first blue arc into two parts. First cut is 60 degree, second cut is at 120 degree. Now that 120 degree you just extend it. After that, from that intersecting point you just cut it. Then that is what from that B you can extend that ray. Through that intersecting point when you extend that, so angle B is equal to what? 90 degree. After that, from that ray, you need to take a measure AB having length 6 centimeter. We cut it using compass itself. Okay. Now mark that point as A. After that, join A to C. Now take more than half of BC. Draw its perpendicular bisector. Mark that midpoint as which one? E. After that, with E as center and BE as radius, we draw one circle. That circle touches AC at a point. That point you can mark it as what? D. That is, a circle through BCD is drawn is given in. That is not important in this problem. So just mark that point as D. So you can join B to D also. It is not in this figure. Okay. After that, listen carefully. The next step is join A to E. Take more than half of AE. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AE. Mark that midpoint as M. With M as center and AM as radius, we draw another circle. That circle touches the first circle, black color circle, at two distinct points. One is what? B. Another one is here. One point is touching that circle, black color and blue color. You can name it as what? Q. So, one tangent is what? AB itself. Another tangent is what? AQ. Clear, students? So this one is about construction, and one more problem is there, that is you need to draw a circle with the help of a bangle. After that, the starting question of tangents, second question, you need to draw the tangent from the external point. But how we construct the center of that circle? If you draw the circle using a bangle, that you have studied in the 9th class. Draw two non-parallel chords. Draw both of its perpendicular bisector. That two perpendicular bisector intersect the point. That point is what? The center of the circle. All the other steps are what? Same as in the case of what? Second question. Clear, students? Okay, thank you.